MT029 leakable. There's no name on it, so I have no idea where the hell it comes from. But to show you when it's leaking, just move over here. Just say, read this. There is that little darling. Now, I'll show you how to do it if I try to get. I said, okay, I can't find where it's leaking, so I had to take a scissor to try and open the hose and get an idea how this thing works. It's a little clear, about less than a quarter of an inch or about a quarter of an inch tube here underneath this black and green covering that stretches out beautifully. Nice concept. The only problem, I have no idea how the hell they got this little tiny quarter-inch hole in there. It's like a little crack. But when you turn the hose on, one day, and I got like a third of the pressure I normally read out of the hose, and it didn't make sense. Okay, there's got to be a way that I should be able to take this thing properly. So enough I said that, I said, okay, let me just take a scissor. And just because I took it about 4 or 5 times while I was getting soaked, because I had a pair of shoes with holes in the bottom. So I go close, I said, okay, I'm getting a little soaked over here. So I sat down, turned it off, got a chair, sat right next to it, and took a look at it and said, okay, let me isolate the leak. I got ties to make the leak, and I got some of this two-sided tape. I opened the green and black portion of the hose, so exposed with the hole work with the quarter-inch hose. The hose goes more way than this hose is just a little shot like that. So I said, okay, let's try over here. And I cut the green and black portion away. I got my two-sided tape that I knew I had to be hard to apply it, but I got my two-sided tape and I said, okay, let me just cut the section over here and get the two-sided tape and put it on there. So the two-sided tape, just like I was taking stuff and cementing it from the wall with the two-sided tape. It wasn't going anywhere, it's just stuck there. So, but I didn't know how the two-sided tape would work. I stuck over the hose. So when I put the little puppy on, okay, it started leaking again to the two-sided tape, so it wasn't sufficient enough to hold it. So I said, okay, let me get a couple of ties. So I used a couple of ties over there, and I said, the ties just hold the two-sided tape on the little small tube. So this way, enough pressure, so I said, okay, turn it on. And so I applied 3 of mine, and one on the middle of the hose, one on the two sides. So I said, turn the hose back on again. You want to be hose? Don't work. So everybody's pushing these hoses. Everybody's going to say it